Welcome to you in today's session, which covers the basic knowledge of natural resource management and environment. To begin with, I would like to tell you that by end of this session, you would understand the objectives of the course, which are to understand the significance of natural resources in our daily life, to understand different types of natural resources, and to understand the nexus between environment, natural resources, and sustainable development. So let's proceed. To understand natural resources, we need to know that they are nature's gift and are utilized for human existence and welfare. It is characterized as renewable and non-renewable resource. The resource which cannot be exhausted even after continuous utilization, they are termed as renewable resources. The best example of renewable resources are the sunlight, forests, agriculture, water, and air, etc. The resources which can not be immediately replaced once they are depleted, they are known as renewable, non-renewable resources. Example of non-renewable resources include soil, minerals, coal, etc. Now we should understand the significance of resource management, because all natural resources are important for us, and that's why their preservation is also important. Since the growth of human population, which is increasing continuously, the consumption of natural resources is also rising. And with the increase of industrialization and urbanization of modern human society, the use of all these resources is also increasing every day. The reasons why the management of natural resources is necessary are to maintain the stability of ecosystem, to prevent further damage to the environment, avoiding overconsumption of natural resources. So these three reasons are there. So if the resources are not managed properly, the human race would face a serious scarcity of resources. So it is important for us to properly conserve natural resources. Managing resources will not only guarantee their rational use, it would also limit the degradation it causes to the environment. India is blessed with a lot of natural resources in greater quantity. If these resources are put to use to their fullest capacity, then India would see an increase in its energy and output production, but without proper management, the resources are depleting every day. For example, forest and arable land are being depleted due to urbanization, overpopulation, and overconsumption. Wildlife resources are being lost due to illegal poaching, hunting, and industrialization. Water resources are being contaminated and drying due to increased industrialization. The best approach to environmental management is integrated approach in which all the components of the environment are taken into consideration and its proper management. So you know that there are three kinds of approaches for natural resource management. They are: first, spatial approach; second, ecological approach; and third is environmental management system approach, which is also called as EMS. There is need of integrated approach for natural resource management. We will have to develop communities that can sustainability leverage on natural resources to develop a strong and water security and reduce drudgery for women and children. There is a need of focused intervention for management of each natural resource. Areas of intervention are water, soil, air, agriculture, forestry, coal, minerals, and energy. For sustainable implementation strategies, even up to grassroots level, several steps are there. One is sensitization and mobilization of village and village environmental committees, signing social agreement between village environment committee and project, then integrated natural resource management plan. People should be trained, prepared to design, cost estimate, and submission to proper authorities. Then release of fund, mobilization of convergence of funds from other sources like Manrega, implementation of plan by community, technical support and participatory monitoring. Thanks. After this, there is a small pre-test also. You will understand that whether you could understand the significance of natural resource management or not.